Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you trial run of an ICF mold made from alloy aluminum. The mold is a 3-piece design installed on an Erlenbach molding machine. Since only a standard EPS Shape molding machine is available nearby, we specially customized a film frame for this test. This process improves product quality and ensures high precision. Now let's watch the trial operation in action. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.